We're back with more breaking inputs coming in. Times Now tracks Sushant's aide Dipesh, who has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. We have a sequence with us. Let's take a look.
हेलो एक मिनट फक्त ऐक ना मित्रा अरे मित्रा ऐक ना यार हेलो
Okay, let's go across to Arunil, who tried speaking to Dipesh's brother. But Arunil, the brother says Dipesh is not at home. He has been now summoned by the Enforcement Directorate.
Well, Dipesh, Swati, is a key player in all this because he was there at Sushant Singh Rajput's house when his mortal remains were found. And also we understand that Dipesh was the one who was hired by Riya Chakravarti. Now, whether they were working in connivance to bring the downfall of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, that is something that the investigative agencies will look into. And he has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, what was his role in the house, that also will be ascertained, and that probe.
Okay, we seem to have lost that line with Arunil, but that's the sequence that Arunil sent to us earlier when he was trying to speak to Dipesh's brother, who says Dipesh is not at home, while the neighbors are claiming that his whereabouts are not known, that they haven't seen him for many days now. Arunil, the neighbors also saying that they haven't seen Dipesh in many days now. He hasn't come home.
Well, that is right, Swati. We spoke to the neighbors as well. They confirmed saying that Dipesh has not come to his house since many days now. And the brother also basically was very evasive, saying that whatever they wanted to say, they spoke to the police. In fact, the family saying that the police spoke to them, Mumbai police spoke to them. Everything has been informed to Mumbai police, and Dipesh is not at home at present. Yes, he's been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate because his role is very significant in all this. He was there present in the same house. He, along with Neeraj and Siddharth Pitani, were there in the house when the mortal remains of actor Sushant Singh Rajput were found in his bedroom. So he is one of the key witnesses, and he was hired by Riya Chakravarti as well. That's what we understand. So was Riya Chakravarti working in connivance with all these people that we named now to bring to basically have financial exploitation as well as mental exploitation of actor Sushant Singh Rajput? That is something that the ED is probing at present, and as and when the case goes to CBI, CBI will also look into it.
Right. Let's also go across to Priyank. So as of yet, Dipesh's whereabouts are not known. But like Arunil was highlighting, another individual who was present in the house when Sushant was found dead, Priyank.
Swati, can you please repeat your question?
Well, this question was about Dipesh, whose whereabouts are not known, but we do know that the ED has summoned him. The family says he hasn't come home, the neighbors haven't seen him, and he was present in the house when Sushant was found dead. So his testimony is going to be very important.
Yeah, certainly, because these are the key eyewitnesses who have seen that how on that unfortunate day sequence of incident unfolded. Dipesh Sawant, what we know from Bihar police sources, had deposed before the Bihar police, and similarly he has also recorded his statement before the Maharashtra police officials. So it is very much possible that he might come up before the Enforcement Directorate later in the other states. But as of now, whenever he is being contacted by the agency, at his house, he is not available, which has also been established by our colleague Arunil. So let's see that how many people will turn up. As of now, what we know about the line of questioning for Enforcement Directorate, 3 people have been called in, including the staff, bodyguard, as well as one more domestic help of Sushant Singh Rajput, who will be coming today before the Enforcement Directorate. At the same time, parallelly, another team of ED is scrutinizing the document which they have collected over the period of 1.5 weeks.